The Keto Quest Mastering Remote Work Habits. In a quiet suburban neighborhood, there lived a woman named Sara. She was known for her love of food, especially the kind that was rich in carbohydrates. However, as the years passed, Sara noticed her waistline expanding and her energy levels dwindling. She decided it was time for a change. Sara stumbled upon the concept of the ketogenic diet, which promised a world where bacon was not the enemy and butter was not forbidden. Intrigued, she delved deeper into the science behind it. The keto diet was all about replacing carbohydrates with fats, putting the body in a state of ketosis, where it would burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. This could lead to weight loss and increased energy. Sara made a list of keto-friendly foods and stocked up on coconut oil, almond, flour, grass-fed butter. The first few days were a challenge, with intense sugar cravings and longing for carbs. But she persevered, reminding herself of her goal to feel healthier and more energetic. As the weeks went by, Sara's cravings for sugar faded and her energy levels soared. She started shedding excess pounds, and her friends and family noticed the change. Sara's meals became a delightful adventure, creating keto-friendly dishes like cauliflower pizza and zucchini noodles. Sara bumped into her friend Lisa, who had also started the keto diet. They exchanged recipes and success stories, realizing they weren't on this journey alone. Months passed, and Sara's transformation was inspiring. She had lost weight, her energy levels were high, and her confidence soared. The most significant change was how Sara felt about herself. The keto diet had not only transformed her body, but empowered her with a sense of control and a renewed zest for life. She knew this was more than just a diet. It was a lifestyle change. Sara's story became an inspiration to those around her, reminding them that the path to a healthier and happier life begins with a single, courageous step.